friends. This is our weekly
Review.
review. So today, on Monday, November 14th, and reading, we had library checkout, and we reviewed, and we were doing author's purpose. And author's purpose we learned that author's purpose is just as easy as pie. The author is trying to persuade you, inform you, and entertain you. Yeah. On Tuesday, on November 15th, we also did author's purpose. Same thing. But on Wednesday, November 15th, we did identify an unknown word. So this is what we would do. We would make a chart in our notebook, and it would say word, definition, synonym. So then we would put the word down, find the definition, and then the synonym.
Yes.
And then we would share it at the end in a circle. On Thursday, November 17th, we kind of did the same thing, but we did unfamiliar words online dictionary. So we would go to a Google Docs, and we would type in the word. We would make the same chart, but we would type in the word, right-click it, go to the dictionary, and define the word. It would say the definition and the synonym of it.
Yeah. So
on Friday, today, we're doing author's purpose, the same thing as we did with, same thing as we did on Monday and Tuesday, as easy as pie.
And then in writing, we did conclusion, call to action. So we each have a topic, and then in the conclusion, we're saying if to do something about your topic. Like let's say something was littering, and then you do something about littering and make a difference about it. And then on Tuesday we did some conclusions and revisions. So we just added stuff to make it sound better, and in a convincing tone, which is like. Oh yeah, on Wednesday we did convincing tones, and a convincing tone was like, so you make a chart with six columns, and then you put words, and then you have the 5 sentences, and one column said word. So you put in the word your topic. So like put in littering, and then what does it see like? What does it smell like? What does it taste like? And so on. And then on Thursday we did editing persuasive essays. So then we are doing essays and writing, and we're editing them to make them better, and spelling them. We also did checklists with it, and then today we're doing designing presentations. We're on Google Slides. We're gonna put them in, we're not gonna put in paragraphs. We're gonna put them in bullet points. So that's what we're doing today in writing.
In science, on Monday we did motion and decide pre-assessment. So for the pre-assessment, we just started doing it that day. So that was our pre-assessment that we took the test. On Tuesday, we did inventory and design time. So we would learn about what's going on in this unit. And then at the end, we would get to design our own vehicle with our team. And the team is our table. On Wednesday, we did build a vehicle, where we would build this vehicle that has as many wheels or not as many wheels as you want, and you would build it, and you would see if it could move 100 centimeters. So we did that. On Thursday we did technical drawing and build from a blueprint. We would take the vehicle that we made on Wednesday, and we would draw it in a two view graph or whatever, and then we would and then after that we would share it, and then we would take a blueprint and we would all build the same vehicle, and we would see if it's right, and we all built it right. And then today we're doing using force to move vehicles. I think we're going to push the vehicles that we made and see how far they can go, or build a new vehicle. So
yeah, and there's no social studies for the week, probably for the month, I don't know. And then in math, we're doing multiplication. On Monday, we did multiplication by one digit, so it could be like 1,982 times 1 or 2. And then on Tuesday, we did reviewing compensation, which is so compensation is basically, so you have a really close number times 7 or something, and then you add like 999, you add 1, which equals 1,000. So 1,000 times 7 equals 7,000, and then 7,000 minus 7, and then that's your answer. And then so on Wednesday we did reviewing word problems from some people, so we get a problem and then you have to review it. We have to solve by ourselves and review it, and then review it afterwards. And then on Thursday we did the topic 3 assessment. And so then we just took an assessment. If we're done, we have to solve a few word problems, and if we're done with that, we can play on the game with the blog. And then on today, we're gonna do multiplying 2-digit numbers by multiples of 10, 100, and 1,000.
And so we have some important dates. On November 23rd to 25th is Thanksgiving break, so woo! And then on December 2nd, book orders are due, so you probably want to look at those and get some books. And on December 7th is a late start, so bye!
Thank you for listening.